If you are new to Upwork and you are looking for ways to kickstart your freelancing career on the platform, you are in the right place. I'm Shayan, a top-rated freelancer on Upwork, and in this video, I'm going to share 10 tips and tricks with you to help you navigate the platform, stand out from the competition, and also land high-paying projects as a freelancer on the platform. So, without wasting the time, let's get started. Tip number 1. Define your niche and specialization. On Upwork, clients are looking for specialists, not generalists. So, if you market yourself on Upwork as a web designer and developer, you will have less chances of getting hired. But if you market yourself as an expert e-commerce web designer, then you show your specialization and you have niched down into a single skill set, and you will increase the chances of getting hired drastically. Clients on Upwork are more likely to hire freelancers that are specialized in a particular field, as it shows your depth of knowledge and experience. Tip number 2, create a professional profile. Now, your profile on Upwork is like your storefront. So you want to give a very professional and very good first impression to any client that opens your profile. So make sure that your profile picture is professional, high quality, showcasing your face clearly, and also is well lit. Make sure that you have a good title and include keywords in your title to make you discoverable on search results. When it comes to your profile description, make sure to keep it short and also make it easy to read by using emojis or making different sections on the profile. Don't forget to add your best work in your portfolio and also request for testimonials on the testimonial section of the profile. Additionally, make sure that you have checked 100% profile completeness, as it plays a major role to get you discovered on search results or not. Tip number 3 that I have for you is to start with small projects. Now, once you start your freelancing career on Upwork, you don't have any feedback from previous clients, your portfolio probably is looking empty, and also you don't have any indicators that shows to the client that you are a reliable person. So, instead of wasting your time and your money sending proposals for big projects, make sure that you start with the small projects. Be selective with those small projects and also choose projects that align perfectly with your expertise, experience, and interest. In that case, you can be sure that you can deliver high quality projects and also earn positive feedback from your clients. Now, each single small project that you complete successfully on Upwork adds to your credibility and make you a reliable freelancer on the platform. It's only a matter of time until you complete a few small projects successfully and get a positive feedback from each of these clients, and then the snowball effect starts to happen for you. Tip number 4 is about a very important aspect of freelancing on Upwork, and that is proposals. You need to write and craft compelling proposals that set you apart from the competition and boost your chances of getting hired on the platform. Once you are sending proposals on Upwork, make sure that you personalize and customize each single proposal for the job description that you are sending the proposal for. Make sure to grab the attention of your clients at the very beginning of your proposal. Include relevant portfolio or samples of your previous projects, and include a CTA, call to action, at the bottom of your proposal to make the process of hiring you very much easier for the client. Don't forget that using templates or copy pasting proposals doesn't work on Upwork. As I said earlier, you need to customize and personalize every and each single proposal on the platform. If you want to learn more about how to write winning proposals on Upwork, I have a dedicated video that I tell you step by step how to write winning proposals and my strategies as a top-rated freelancer on the platform. So make sure to check it out right here. Tip number 5 is about setting realistic rates. As a beginner on Upwork, you need to find the right balance between earning a fair compensation and also attracting clients. Research the industry standards and also consider the level of your skills and expertise on the platform. Starting with competitive rates on Upwork can help you to gain initial projects and help you to build your reputation on the platform. Once you have a few projects that you've completed successfully, you've earned your reputation and also demonstrate to the clients that you are a reliable freelancer, you can slowly raise your rates to the top. Tip number 6 is all about communication. Now, as you and your client most of the time will communicate through messages on the platform, it's very important to have a clear, good and professional communication with your clients. Effective communication is the key to build strong relationships with your clients. At the very beginning of each project, make sure that you're on the same page with the client when it comes to deadlines, requirements, and also the goals of the project. You can make sure that you understand each other by having a short meeting on Zoom at the very beginning of the project and also discuss the details of the project together. During the project, make sure that you keep your client updated regarding the process and don't leave them hanging there. Respond to their questions and messages quickly, and also at the end of your project, make sure to ask for their feedback as it plays a crucial role for your job success score. Tip number 7 is about delivering high quality work. As you start your freelancing career on Upwork, you are directly in competition with freelancers that have already established a strong client base and have a reputation for delivering exceptional work on the platform. As a result, if you want to achieve success on the platform and also win the competition against your competitors, you have to be ready to go the extra mile. You have to be ready to go above and beyond of delivering exceptional and high quality results to each and every single project that you take on Upwork. Strive to exceed clients' expectations, meet deadlines, and deliver high quality work. Don't forget that at the end of each project on Upwork, clients will leave a feedback for you from 0 to 5 stars. Now, if you go that extra mile and earn positive reviews from your clients, you will accelerate the process of becoming a successful freelancer on the platform. By receiving positive feedback from clients, you will show that you are a trustworthy and reliable freelancer on the platform. You will earn a high job success score. You will earn badges like top rated or top rated plus, which all of them together will help you to earn high paying projects and also become a successful freelancer on the platform. Now, if you want to become a successful freelancer on Upwork, that brings us to tip number 8. Don't only consider Upwork and freelancing as a side hustle or side gig. Treat your freelancer career on Upwork as a professional business. Be punctual, meet deadlines, communicate effectively, and build a strong business for you as a successful freelancer on the platform. Tip number 9 is all about your portfolio. As you complete different projects on Upwork, make sure to add them to your portfolio to showcase your skills, expertise, and also professionalism. A well-crafted portfolio will increase your chances of getting hired. And now, finally, tip number 10 is all about your mindset. Once you start your freelancing career on Upwork, you need to be patient, consistent, and also don't get discouraged from rejection. Once I started my freelancing career on Upwork a few years ago, it took me a few months until I landed my very first project on the platform. So continue learning, be consistent and patient, and don't forget it's just a matter of time until you get your very first projects and that the snowball effect starts to begin. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more tips, tricks, guides, strategies, and interviews with successful freelancers on Upwork to give you a boost of getting a successful freelancer on the platform. If you have any questions or if you want me to cover a specific area of the platform, make sure to mention it right in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy freelancing.